Hey YouTube, I've been pretty busy, so I didn't get to make a video on my hydraulic press I showed you a little while ago. So I wanted to run through some stuff so I didn't leave you guys hanging. If you want to try to swap out some old bushings on your E36. So this is what I have set up here. Like I was saying, you're gonna need to buy a bearing removal kit to really have the right discs. Here's some discs and a couple cylinders like this one to switch out your bushings. And what I made here is with a couple of pieces of channel and 5/8 all thread and some there's double nuts. There's a stack of nuts below and a super long nut on the top, so it's adjustable. It's pretty cool. Go to the machine shop, a local machine shop for the channel, and a couple of these blocks, and it'll be like 20 bucks. These are pretty thick and square, but they're nice to have because they keep everything lined up and you don't have to worry about anything bending. So let me show you real quick. I did notch this out right here because of the manufacturer's notch on these, but I'll show you real quick. You would sit it in there just like that, and you would put your whatever new bushing you order in the mail, which are pretty inexpensive. You put it right on top and line it straight up and jack away. It'll push it right in and right through. And it does it pretty easy with the 12-ton. So I had some fun. I was able to put in some M3 bushings. These right here are installed incorrectly. I know because I tried it and it didn't feel good at all on the steering. So I reinstalled another pair because I have a set of these, and I swapped them out. I found that it did not change the alignment at all because they're centered. But yeah, these should be clocked like that. And then I was going to talk about also these are for the front, of course. I think you guys know. And for the rear, I had a little video on when I pulled this out, and you guys seen the tool. I wanted to show you my setup, how it was stacked up. Now you need one of these smaller discs to go on the back when you pull it out. See how that comes right up? 1/4 inch thick washers I made. And then on the install, you are going to need 2 of these, so you can sandwich it in. One on this end, one on the other end, and then you just wrench it in. And if you wrench it in too far, or you may need the smaller one to wrench it in all the way. And if you wrench it in too far, then you're going to use your pipe. You're going to add the pipe in to back it off, because you want the new bushing you get in the mail to go in right in the center. I found out when this one was not really that bad. It had a crack in it, but this one was where all my problem was. There was play in the steering, and I didn't really know if it was the front end This was the last bushing I installed, which is kind of crappy because this is where all the play was. So if you have problems with your steering moving around, it might be a trailing arm bushing. Yeah, this is definitely, it came out like this. I didn't do it. It was moving around in there. So hopefully you like the video, and hopefully you can use some of the information I share. Thanks.